Well, I should have showed you this. So I'm going to show you this in reverse. I got my drill press bolted down to the concrete floor. And some people might wonder how that's done. I'm going to show you. Now, this is a hammer drill. And it does just what it says. It hammers as it drills. And this is a concrete bit. It's got a carbide tip on it that busts up the concrete. Works just like a regular drill, except it drills through concrete. And then you use an anchor. You find a drill bit to coincide with the anchor that you have. And I'm going to show you how these work. You drill a hole. You put this anchor down in the hole. And as you tighten up the nut, what it does is pull this up. And this little piece here gets wedged up against that bell. And it jams the bottom of this in the hole where it can't pull up. See, it's got a little split in it. And as it goes further up on this bell, that split allows this thing to get wider and wider and jam real tight against the sides of the hole. And you just tighten it up like you'd tighten a regular nut in a bolt. And that's how you anchor into concrete. And not a big job. Honestly, this is Thursday, and it's probably all I'm going to do today. I'm sort of taking a day off, but this is just one of them little pesky things. I didn't have the right size anchor, so I had to go and get the right size anchors because the drill bit, I've only got a couple of concrete drill bits, and this is the wrong size anchor for that drill bit. So that's it, Thursday. I've done nothing. Tomorrow is my wife's birthday. And I'll go ahead and upload this because, not now. You'll probably see this Friday during the day after I give her her birthday card and her little gift. I only got her one thing. And that's it. I got nothing. Today was a boring, drizzly, cold, miserable, very, a day you just want to stay inside. And I did. See you tomorrow.